Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows.
Now, Nico, at this point, when we're all kind of just sitting here for a second, get the lights on.
Ladies and gentlemen, right here, the House of Comedy, Phoenix's own Gary Caswell, Ace Caswell as we like to call him. Me, Johnny J in the House of Comedy. Here we are, man.
And I'm finally on stage with the legendary John Janasek.
Together.
I've watched this guy since I was 3 years old.
Thank you.
I would like to take off my glasses to make this point.
Yeah,
It's ridiculous around here. It's absolutely ridiculous. You're going to have to sit through the Grand Canyon and Disneyland, but this is the best part of his home movies, guaranteed.
I thought she was a choreographer. Are you the choreographer I heard about?
Yes.
It's a dancer.
Oh, dancer, okay.
Dancer, choreographer.
Dancer.
Great. Hey! There's shit, Jesse! Jesse was a girl. Are you the one that Rick Springfield sang about? I wish I had Jesse's girl. I wish I've always wanted to meet Jesse. There's Jenny. Jenny's going through my wallet. That's nice. Thanks a lot. And we got the last three early birds here. Pablo, Becky, and Christy. Look at you guys at the House of Comedy getting ready to do some. This is fancy.
Can we get a beer?
Sure. You get as many beers as you want.
We should do that.
We got Jenny's key lime pie from Sugar Nova Bakery.
Sugar Nova.
And she made us some key lime pies that are like off the charts. And we've got them chilling gently in the refrigerator.
Nice.